I had some crowns, some natural teeth. As I aged, I had some gum recession. I found myself not giving my full smile, but sort of adjusting it to hide some of the imperfections I was noticing. I just decided it was time to update my whole smile, and so I came in to see Dr. Ayzin.
Rich needed a lot of treatment, crowns, veneers, implants. Well, we basically changed his old restorative work and updated it with a new look. Whiter, brighter, something he'd be proud of, which made him look younger. Now, Rich loves his teeth. He smiles all the time.
Well, now that I've updated my smile, I feel like 10 years younger, and I think I am smiling more. I'm very grateful for the work Dr. Ayzin did, the time he put into it, explaining things to me, setting up the plan, taking it step by step, getting me to the point where I wanted my smile to be. It was easier than I could have ever imagined, painless. It's made me feel younger, I think, look younger. I'm really glad I had it done.